The majestic creature of the world. You may think your house cat maybe. You might think a house cat is much safer than having a tiger. But you're dead wrong. Actually, you're right, you're very dead wrong. If you have a tiger, put it back in the wild! Because no matter how much they love you, they'll eat your face off. It's their tradition. Hi guys, you see now, we're actually wild animals! Why do you think we kill people so many times? Look at my collar. It says, you can't see the rhythm of Oreo's fur, and you're petting Oreo's fur like you are. Oh, it's wood. We're actually wild animals. There's something called a wildcat. That she kind of looks like an awesome, but much different. Tackle kind of somebody both think I did. What the fuck is a big at it? But why are people that be so close to animals? Why do people that be so close to animals? Anyways, yeah. Unfortunately, we can never be extinct. Either we become feral, or we become wildcats. We live in Africa. Rip-off! That cats should cost more money. 'Cause look at this cute